how to change your password on TikTok account. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your password on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Here you have the first option, which is manage account. On your account information you have password, click on it. And here you should enter your phone number to confirm that you want to change your password. And they're gonna send you a code. Once you receive the code, just enter it and you can change your password. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.